All right. So this one says, find the linear speed v of a point that moves through with a constant speed of circular motion. That means it's a constant angular speed with an arc length of 23 meters and the time of 4 seconds. So the first thing that I want to do is I'm going to list all the information that they give me. All right, so what did they give me? Well, we're going to be asked to find the linear speed. And they gave us the arc length was 23 meters. And the time was 4 seconds. So now I'm going to show you what I would do if I were you guys learning this. What I would do is I'd look at my notes. So what I have is a bunch of information that they've given us, and I gotta find the linear speed. So what I need to do, if I haven't memorized the formulas off the top of my head, I look them up on my notes. So I go back to my notes, and I see that the relationship for linear speed, and all I did was go back. I flipped back a couple pages. Linear speed is equal to the arc length divided by time. Right? Does that make sense? Well, where does that come from? Well, it doesn't. The arc length, if they give it to us in meters and not in an angle, is a length. So linear, a line, we're just unwrapping the circle. It's a line, it's a curve. So what we're thinking about is how far did we travel over time? Now we could measure that as an angular speed too, right? So there's two different things. I'm going to use this one. So I go back here and I say, all right, I've got to find out what my linear speed is. And there's a lot of different ways I can find that, but the easiest one is the arc length divided by time. And so I end up with 23 meters per 4 seconds. Now it says write the exact value. And then in the box they have it a little different. So how they have it written is it would be 23 over 4. Now be careful. You might have to reduce your fraction. Okay, so this is the final answer. What if that was 24 meters over 4? Well, then it would reduce. So always make sure 23 is a prime number, so I can't reduce that anymore. So that's problem number 1. Okay, so that was a pretty easy one.